Good afternoon. Sobrang dami ng lemon. Ayan. Pagka kasi natutusok ng yung kanyang pinaka-tinik yung napitin ko, inaamag. Kaya marami rin akong napulot na naitapon na. Ngayon naman ang daming nalaglag. So nagtitry ako yung katas niyan. Yung balat lalaga ko. Tapos yung katas i-try ko sa yung namantsahang mga carpet kasi ganito ang rainbow color ng naaalis ng balat pag naglaga kayo ng mga ilang piraso ng balat ng lemon. Kaya niya tanggalin yung rainbow color. Contributing factors din ng nakaka-cancer sa mga stainless. So kung may lemon kayo, balat huwag nyo itatapon, ilalaga nyo. You can boil the skin of the lemon and then the juice you can use it as a scent for the inside your house when you are mopping. You can squeeze the juice of the lemon also. This is also helpful in honey and lemon when the one I've mentioned before on my video blogs. When you have a problem in your throat, there's a lot I mentioned from my old video blogs. Probably my subscribers and viewers already know how the uses of lemon. They also use it as in making grilled chicken. So the scent when you put it in the oven is very appetizing, just giving aroma. So right now I will pick few pieces and boil it. So I will remove the stainless, and also the juice I will squeeze. I will use it in adding in removing the stain from our carpet inside, thus giving some scent. Okay, be sure to subscribe to watch my old and upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.